In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Steam ID 64, and we'll do it all in under 5 minutes. Let's dive right in because I know your time is valuable and you'll want to get back to gaming as soon as possible. First up, you need to open your Steam application. This is your gateway to a world of games and also where you'll find all the information you need about your gaming identity. If you don't have it open already, go ahead and launch the app from your desktop or start menu. Once you're in, the next step is to log into your account. Locate the login button and give it a click. It's usually at the top corner of the application screen. Once you've clicked login, you'll need to enter your account name and password in the provided fields. Remember to keep your credentials safe and secure. After typing them in, simply click the sign in button to access your account. Upon signing in, you'll find yourself on the Steam homepage. This is where the magic happens. Your library of games, friend lists and personal details are all accessed from here. Now what you need to do next is navigate to your profile. You'll see your username probably somewhere at the top of the page. Just give it a click. After clicking on your profile, you should look for an option that says view my profile and click on that. This will take you to your very own profile page where you can see your gaming stats, upcoming games and achievements. But today we are specifically after one thing, your profile URL. Now at the very top of your screen in your browser's address bar, you'll see the URL for your profile page. Go ahead and copy this URL. You'll find this very useful for this next step. Head over to a website called SteamID.io. This is a super handy online tool that allows you to look up information about Steam users, including their Steam ID 64. Once you're on the site, locate the lookup field. It should be pretty evident on the page, inviting you to find any user's ID. Then paste the URL you copied from your Steam profile into the lookup field. Double check to ensure that the entire URL is pasted correctly, as this is crucial for retrieving the correct information. Next, click on the lookup button. The website will process the information quickly and present the data you're looking for. It will then display several pieces of information, including your Steam ID 64. And there you have it, your unique Steam ID 64 all ready and available for you. This ID is crucial for accessing certain Steam services and for adding friends directly through their ID. Now you can integrate it into any games or services that require it. Congratulations on finding your Steam ID 64 quickly and efficiently. Thank you for tuning in and happy gaming.